Hello and welcome to ES Level Mathematics. This is Umar Katan and I'll be your instructor throughout this training series. In this reading, we will be taking a look at circular measure. So, let's get started. In circular measure, first we will discuss about circle. Let's assume this is a circle. In this circle, this middle line, the line which is passing through center, this is called the diameter. This is radius. And here you could see there is an angle theta, and this part is the arc length. Represented by, we have the formula for the arc length. S is equals to r times theta, and this theta should be in radians. If you just consider this part, if I just take it out and draw it here, so this is somewhat like a sector with the angle theta, and this is radius, and this is r. And if we want to find out the area of a sector, so we have this formula for area of sector, which is A is equals to 1 upon 2 r square theta. If we want to find out the perimeter of the sector, then we have it, this r. Perimeter is just the boundary, so this is r with this r, so r plus s. So I can write it here, r plus s, which will be 2r plus s. Now in this chapter we will come across with triangles also, so we should know a little bit about triangles as well.